We're gonna start moto-camping from here. So I finally found a bike. Here it is. And this is my bike for now. It's a Honda i-Scoopy. So my next stop, I heard from some people around that there's a beach nearby. We're not gonna go too far, but we're gonna find it. It's called Khanom. I looked it up on Google, and we're gonna try to find a place to camp on the beach. And off to the beach, let's go. First catastrophe of the trip, but it didn't work out too bad. My phone just fell out of here, going about maybe 45 miles an hour. I watched it in the mirror roll down the road, and it ended up right there. But she's working. Corning Gorilla Glass. What happens is I hit a bump, just a little bump on the side of the road, and for some reason this thing came loose, and the phone goes about 45 miles an hour, but she's a tough one. Let's get back on the road, guys. That was a close one. We got to figure out this mount though. Okay, I think we got her fixed. Let's see how this goes. Guys, it just happened again about 3 miles down the road. So luckily this time we were going about 45 again, and I came out and I caught it. I barely caught it. Enough of that. We're gonna throw it in the pocket, and then just if we need directions, we'll pull it out and we'll have to use it that way. Okay, I'm here at a rest area. I just stopped to get a little bit of a drink, take a break. Some nice little huts here. Let's assess the damage real quick. That was pretty hairy. My heart went right into my mouth. I felt something, and then I looked down at my shoe, and boom! It was the last I saw of the phone. It was just about to go down to the road, and then I looked in the mirror, and it was bloop, 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 bloop. And I thought for sure she was broke, but let's assess the damage here. It's got some scuffs there on the corners. Boom, and that's about it. No cracks anywhere, no smudges on the screen. It's got some scratches and scrapes, and that's about it. But man, that was a close one. Okay, that was a good break here. We got about 30 minutes to go, so let's get on the road. we made it to Khanom. Time to eat. It's like 2 o'clock. No food today yet, so I'm gonna get a bowl of noodles, koi tiao, which is noodle soup with seafood. See how it is. Here's the place. Yeah, sen leg. Oh, quick, very quick. Fish ball. I think this is fish balls. Some wonton. Some sausage. In Vietnam they call it cha, but here I don't know. This is nam sai, so it's just regular broth. No blood in this broth. So this is the first time I'm having this. She said it's 50 baht, it's $1.50. So it looks good. We're gonna doctor it up and see how it goes. All right, kapung kap. All right, here's our bowl of noodles. I tasted the broth. It's the most basic broth. We got things to doctor it up, so let's doctor it up, see how it goes. Red pepper flake, I love it. So I like spicy food. This is a little vinegar with jalapeno. We're gonna make her taste good. But what is this? Oh, that's sugar. They eat a lot of sugar and savory things here in Thailand, so that's not me, but let's mix it up and try it out. That was delicious, guys. Now, time to find a camp spot. Let's go. So I got some suggestions in the restaurant to go to Nadanbeach, which I think is very close to here. I just want to camp, so if I'm swimming, that I can see my tent and all my stuff, because all my electronics, all my money's in there. So I think it's gonna be safe. It's all right, unless somebody kicks us out, we're good. All right, time to set up the tent. Well, that's it, guys. It's a little harder than I thought. It's windy. The sand won't hold the stakes down, so I got these things, which is about, man, I carry 2 at a time. I feel like 100 pounds a piece. Not too bad of a pitch. It's gonna stay very well. They ain't going anywhere. Looks pretty good. Any rain is gonna stay off her. The bike's there. All my possessions will be inside. Not that Thailand's dangerous or anything. Mountains in the distance, perfect view. Now it's time to relax, get some swimming trunks on, take a little dip, and chill out. Okay guys, thanks for watching. It's getting dark. We're gonna wrap it up from here. I just wanted to recap for the day. It was a great day. Short day, but an eventful day. When I run a motorbike, I always want to take the first day to make it short, to see if everything's gonna work. I think this little bike here is good. The motor's working good, the brakes are good, the transmission's good. Starter's a little bit janky, but I think it's gonna last for a month, so we'll see how that works, but everything's good. We're gonna sign out from here. Thank you for watching. Don't squander wander. Remember, the world is big, life is short. Don't squander wander.